Okay, so we're gonna do this piece right here with all this hair. Hair grows that way. So I've got my wax here that's a honey consistency. And I'm gonna put it on here, the direction of the hair growth. Then we have to wait for it to harden. Takes a few seconds, 30 to 45 seconds. Still sticky. Still a little tacky. Almost there.
Let's see what we got in here. These. Three bags. 4 bags. 4 bags. What's this? To put wax. And a little thing to take it out. And a little thing here. What else we have here? We have actor wax. And a little rim to put there.